Here are 7 quick reasons to consider Timberdoodle's comprehensive curriculum kits. Number 1. Our curriculum is award-winning. Timberdoodle curriculum kits received first place in Practical Homeschooling's 2017 and 2018 Reader Awards. Meanwhile, the individual components of our kits have received countless additional awards. 2. Hands-on learning. Parents and kids love how Timberdoodle integrates hands-on exploration into our curriculum. Reinforce geography with puzzles. Build a robotic dog or bird. Put together a human body torso or a Roman arch bridge. Now this is learning that sticks. 3. STEM skills. Because STEM skills, science, technology, engineering, and math, are all so crucial to real life, we have included purposeful STEM activities into every grade, from tiny tots through high school. Number 4. You can customize it. Every kit that Timberdoodle offers is fully customizable, so you can adapt it to your unique child without breaking the budget. 5. The checklist system. Our super simple weekly checklist allows for the unexpected, giving families the freedom to enjoy life without losing momentum in their homeschooling assignments. Number 6. Independent learning. Timberdoodle handbooks promote self-directed learning, so students begin to learn how to manage their own education and schedule. Less hand-holding, more independent learning is what your student will need for college and beyond. Number 7. Works for charter schools. Now, for over a year, Timberdoodle has provided kits for every grade which are charter school compatible. For all these reasons and more, you will want to consider Timberdoodle's curriculum kits today. Crazy smart homeschooling!
So much fun!